Hi, see you again. So today I would like to talk about how to use Python for our business analytics. So as we have learned the basic programming by using Python can do some job, and also we have finished some topic about how to use in Python. So today's course I would like to use a case study for how to use Python for the driving factors for our marketing engagement. Also, I would like to use the linear regression analysis for our business problems. Okay, so first you guys have to download two files from our island system or Facebook group. So first, you may have a Python source code, this one. And also, I provide a data set which is provided by IBM company. It's .csv files. So you have to download these two files before our class. Okay, so let me show how to exercise today's homework. Also, you can follow all my steps. First, my source program is so you may use the Spider editor for software. So let me have my Spider ready. Okay, so my Spider right now is ready for programming. So first is you have to go to your working directory. So you may go to your working directory by this icon, this one, and go to your working directory. My working directory is on the desktop. Right now is this one. Okay, just choose this folder. Okay, so you may use the tab from File Explorer, hit this one. No, not this folders. Sorry. The folder is this one, Python. Okay. Okay, so just have this Python source code ready. Okay, so I have all the source code here. So, but today's homework is you have to modify the Spider format to our Colab, which is provided by Google. So you may copy all the informations, all the source code from my source code to Colab. So let me introduce how to use the Colab systems. First things, so you have to Google the Colab keyword. Colab. So you may find the website for Colab. So the Colab is a collaboratory for Google. Colab. Okay, so when you have your Colab ready, because I have logged in to my Google account, so it will show me to have a new Jupyter notebook for editors. So you have to log into your Google account. Okay, so first things you have to create to generate a new Jupyter notebook, which is a different editor for Python. Okay, so the Google Colab will stop an editor environment for you guys. So how to use these editors from Google? So you may switch your windows between Colab and Spiders. In the Spiders, today I would like to talk about the driving force, how to use to find the factor to infect your marketing strategies. Especially, you will know what is the major factor it will affect your marketing campaign. Okay, so first things, let us go to the lab here. So in the Colab systems, you may create a source code cell, or you may have your class node or your memo for your source code. So you may have to create a new format here, so you can have your descriptions for your source code. Okay, so you may copy the line, this one, and copy to here. So you may to emphasize what is the reason for your source code. So here we also will talk about a regressions analyze for our business problems. Okay, so you guys know how to follow all the steps from Spider to Colab. Okay, so let me to my course today. Okay, so let me introduce what is the factors for influence your marketing campaign. So you may find a topic about the marketing strategies. So they have a lot of the factors can affect your marketing campaign. Okay, so for our business purpose object today, I would like to talk about the results for an auto insurance company marketing campaign. So they record all the data from their campaign. So you may see the variables in the data set. Okay, so let me introduce about the data set. This data set has more than 9,000 customers record, also with 24 variables. Later I will have an introduction for these variables. So this is a auto insurance companies. So they have to know what is their targeting, the factor will affect their customers will buy their auto insurance or not. Okay, so for the variables here, you may find some variables. The first is the customers. It's the customers' ID numbers. Also with the second variables we call the customer lifetime value. This is a very important factor in this data set, because the company will evaluate how good is the customers, because by using the customer lifetime value, the company can calculate the customer total worth to business over the lifetime. Okay, so it's a very important factor for our business analyst. Also, they have to have a factor with response. This factor, it records, does the customer renew the offer? Did the customer renew their insurance, especially for their car insurance? So the car insurance is a very big issue for these auto insurance companies, because if your customer can renew their car insurance, so the company can make a lot of money. Okay, so rest of the variables, you may see the difference, the coverage, the type of the policies. Is a basic insurance for car or not? Also, you can see the policies type, or they have the renew offer type. Is the different status for the car insurance. Also, they have keep variables for total claim amount. What is a total claim amount? Is accumulate the amount of claim since policies inspections. So with Chinese is when you have a car accident, you can have some money back from your insurance companies. We call 出险 in Chinese. If you have a car insurance and also you have the car insurance, so you can have some payments from the companies. Okay, so you may find some Chinese description for these variables. Also, they also have a profile, the customer profile variables is the stay for the customer, the education level, also the gender for the customers, also their income, location code, the marital status. Also, they keep the vehicle class, vehicle size for their customers. Okay, so please have your data and for your environment ready. Okay,